Hey guys, wanna give your Android phone a fresh clean look and faster performance? Then you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Lineage OS on any supported Android device. Let's turn your old phone into a fast clean machine. Stay till the end. So Lineage OS is a free open source operating system based on Android. It gives you the latest features, no ads, and full control. Perfect for old phones or anyone who wants a fresh start. But before we do anything, make sure you've unlocked your bootloader. If you haven't done that yet, check out my other video on how to unlock the bootloader of your Android phone. Also make sure to back up everything important, because installing Lineage OS will erase all data on your device. And one more important thing, Lineage OS is not available for every Android device. So first check the official Lineage OS website to see if your phone model is listed in the supported devices section. Alright, enough intro, let's get started. I'm using my Pixel 6a for this tutorial, and yes, this same method works for any Android phone. So the first step is to enable USB debugging on your phone. To enable, go to About Phone and tap on build number 7 times until you see a message saying developer option is enabled. Once done, go back, open developer options under system settings or additional settings depending on your device. Inside developer options, ensure that bootloader is already unlocked. This indicates that your device is ready for installation. Next, scroll down and enable USB debugging. This allows your phone to communicate properly with your PC during the Lineage OS installation process. Now it's time for step 2, which is downloading the correct Lineage OS files. So let's move over to the PC screen. Go to the official Lineage OS website and choose your device model. There are tons of supported devices available. Since I'm using the Pixel 6a, I'll download the files for that model. Always make sure to download the latest Lineage OS build. In my case, it's Lineage OS 22, which is based on Android 15. So download all the required files and save them on your PC. Now keep in mind that Lineage doesn't come with Google Apps pre-installed. So we also need to download GApps separately. Head over to the GApps website and download the package that matches your Lineage version. And finally, the last file you'll need is the Platform Tools package. This contains ADB and Fastboot, which we'll use to install Lineage Custom ROM. Alright, here are all the files we downloaded. First, go ahead and extract the Platform Tools zip file. This folder contains all the ADB and Fastboot commands we'll need for flashing Lineage OS. Now, as you can see, I've placed all the Lineage ROM files for my Pixel 6a right here in the same folder for easy access. Next, open the Platform Tools folder, which contains ADB and Fastboot tools. Inside Platform Tool, click on the address bar at the top, type CMD and hit enter. This will open the command prompt window directly inside the Platform Tools directory. Alright, time for step 3, installing Lineage OS recovery. First, connect your phone to the PC using a good quality USB data cable. As soon as you connect your device, you'll get a pop-up on your phone asking for USB debugging permission. Just tap on Allow. In the terminal, type ADB devices to make sure your phone is properly connected. If you see your device serial number, that means the connection is working perfectly. Next, we'll reboot the phone into fastboot mode. Type this command, ADB reboot bootloader. Your phone will now automatically restart and boot into the fastboot screen. Once your device is in fastboot mode, we'll start flashing the required images one by one. First, type this command to flash the boot image. Fastboot flash boot and path of the boot image file. Just drag and drop the file into the terminal and hit enter. Once that's done, the next command is to flash another image file. Fastboot flash DTBO and path of the DTBO image file. Now some devices also require flashing a few extra files like VB Meta and Init Boot before flashing the recovery. So I'd recommend checking the official Lineage OS installation guide for your specific device to be sure. Once done, it's time to flash the vendor boot image. So run this command. Fastboot flash vendor boot and path of vendor boot image file. Now listen carefully, my Pixel 6a doesn't have a separate recovery partition, so the recovery is built into the vendor boot file. But if your device has a separate recovery image, you'll need to flash it manually. In my case, flashing the vendor boot file automatically installs the Lineage OS recovery. Alright, it's time to boot into recovery mode. Now use the volume keys to select recovery mode, then press the power button to boot into it. If you don't see that option and only the fastboot logo appears, don't worry. Just press and hold power plus volume up together until the recovery screen shows up. Once booted into Lineage OS recovery, the first thing we need to do is format the data. So tap on factory reset, then format data and continue with the formatting process. This will remove encryption and delete all files stored in the internal storage. Once the data format is complete, go back to the recovery main menu. Here, select Apply Update and then choose Apply from ADB. This will put your phone into ADB sideload mode. Now it's time for step 4, installing the Lineage OS custom ROM file. In the terminal, type ADB devices. You should see your device listed with the word sideload next to it. Next, type this command to start the installation. ADB sideload and the path of the Lineage OS ZIP file. Once you press enter, the installation will begin, and it usually takes around 6 to 8 minutes. So just sit tight and wait until it's done. Once the installation is complete, if you see a message that says ADB failed to read command, don't worry. That's totally normal and safe to ignore. After Lineage OS is installed, you'll get an option to install another update. If you want to install G apps, just tap yes and repeat the same process. Since the process is identical, I'm going to skip showing that part. Now it's time for step 5, boot into Lineage OS ROM. Just tap on reboot and your phone will now start booting into Lineage OS for the very first time. The first boot can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, so don't panic if it seems stuck. That's completely normal. Just let it finish the setup. And yes, our device has finally booted into Lineage Custom ROM. You'll see the fresh Lineage OS welcome screen, which means everything worked perfectly. Now go ahead and complete the setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account if you installed gaps, and you're ready to explore the clean open source Lineage OS experience. And that's it for this video. You've just learned how to install Lineage OS officially without TWRP in 5 simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Android root and ROMs videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.